Today's challenge, I'm going to build and deploy a website to Azion using only the Codex app. No manual coding, no separate terminal, let's see how long it takes. But here's the thing, this is not a fake demo where I pretend that AI just magically works. We are doing this live and I will show you how you can set this up and you can try yourself too. The secret weapon? Azion MCP. It's a remote MCP server that plugs into your Codex app and gives it actual superpowers, real documentation, real deployment commands, no hallucinations. Let me show you the setup first, because if you can replicate this, what is the point? Then we start the timer. All right, here is the Codex app. We need to set up the Azion MCP remote server. We need to go here to settings and then MCP servers. Now we need to add a new server. Okay, I will call this as Azion MCP and it's a streamable HTTP. The URL is https://mcp.azion.com. And then we need to get the authentication token. Let me show you how we can get this. Okay, for authentication, I need to get my Azion personal token. You need to go to your console. If you don't have an account, you need to create this account first. But then when you have account, you go here at this account icon and then personal tokens. Then I go here, add personal token or plus personal token, and I will give a name. I will call this Codex Challenge. You can add a description. I will put this inspiration for 1 day. Okay, and then save. When I save, I get this personal token. I can show to you. It will expire tomorrow, no problem. Then I need to go back to my Codex app, and then on headers here, I need to add authorization and then barrier and then my token. Okay, once I save, the Codex app will try to authenticate to my MCP. You can see here, it will authenticate. Okay, we got it. This is authenticated. Now a quick sanity check. Let me ask Codex to, list Azion MCP tools. It should find the MCP and then call for tools. Nice. I have bunch of tools coming from Azion MCP. Yeah. Okay, it's working. We got here search, docs, query builder for metrics. We also have deploy. Let me see. Yeah, we have here deploy to Azion, a static website. Yeah, it's perfect. The stage is set. Are you ready? Because I'm so ready. The challenge starts now. All right, let's go to Codex. Codex, Codex, let's build a website. I want a modern landing page for a fictional product. Let's call it Pulse, a developer productivity tool. Dark theme, heroes section, features grid, clean typography. Use React, Tailwind, and PNPM as package manager. Let's get started. We have here the HTML structure, like index file, then the app.jsx, it's fine. CSS, and to look nice. I want to add some more details here. I will prompt some changes. It should be responsive. I want to have smooth hover animations. I think that's it. It's looking fine. Let me try to execute here, like on my local environment. It's looking good. I have here the page, like the landing page, the name of my product, features, as I asked. Let's go to the, how can I say, the ultimate goal for this challenge. Let's try to deploy this to Azion network. I want to deploy this project to Azion. Use Azion MCP to set and then deploy it. It is calling for Azion CLI commands, trying to search for documentations, like to get the instructions how to deploy this to Azion. It's running the correct CLI command with the correct preset, correct package manager. Now I can see, let me see. We already have it. It's building my project. Now it's trying to deploy already. It just like initialize the project on Azion, then it starts to deploy to production already. Stop the timer, pause, look at that, fully deployed website, dark theme, animation, live on Azion's distributed network. I have, animations is too much. I have some hover animations here. Total time was 13 minutes and 47 seconds. From empty folder, empty prompt, to production URL using only AI and Azion MCP. This is insane. And here is why this is working. Azion MCP is not like guessing the command or guessing the process. It's actually know the exactly command that it needs to be run in order to get this website deployed. Look at that. When I ask for deployment, it runs the CLI commands for actually doing that. I can see all the logs here. This is what modern development looks like. AI that is actually connected to your infrastructure. Distributed deployment that is actually fast, globally fast. Want to try this yourself? Try to beat my time. You can create your account for free at Azion, no credit card requirement. Actually, you get $300 when you start a new account. Links to create your account is in the description, and also the MCP documentation is in the description too. Connect to the MCP, start the timer, and show me what you got. Drop your time in the comments, and if you want me to try this in a harder scenario, like a full stack application, let me know. Subscribe so you don't miss it. And thanks for watching. Go build something with AI and Azion MCP. Bye.